I'm Kerry Capaldi from StorExcel, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate SocialExcel, which is our social posting application, running as a service to support IPV as the front end, which IPV is one of our digital asset management products that we both resell and support. So if you're not familiar with IPV, what you're looking at is Clip Select, which is their interface to Curator, which is the back-end data management system for video and images. Very quickly, I'm going to play this video that I'm going to post. It's a very short video, and I'm going to post to YouTube first, since YouTube takes a little bit of time to upload and process. So first, a little bit of a background. We created two workflows in IPV, one workflow to handle images and a second workflow to handle video. The images are coded to post to Twitter and Facebook, and the video is coded to post to YouTube. In addition to that, we had to create a couple of plugins so that the plugins will allow the menus to appear in the application itself. So we've got one to post images and a second plugin to post to video. By checking the checkbox, it puts them up on the ribbon so that I can quick select them without having to dig through this pick list. So for now, for video, we'll select this. Pops up a little select screen. In this case, since it's hard-coded for YouTube, and YouTube at this point in time is the only site that can take video, we'll go ahead and put a title in it. And a body. If you haven't seen the introductory video on SocialExcel, take some time to watch it after this, and it explains a little bit more about how it works. I'm going to go ahead and submit. Puts it into the workflow for IPV. I get a quick message that says it's on its way. So while the video is processing, I'm going to switch over to an image. We'll do this image of beer. You'll see that the plugin is actually hardwired to know what I've selected, so by mistake I won't try to submit still material to YouTube. Select this guy, it pops up. I've got my choice of posting to all the sites, just to Twitter, or just to Facebook. In this case, I'll go ahead and post to all. And this title is not really required for Facebook or Twitter. However, the REST service does require you to pass something in the title. In this case, we are going to go ahead and pass it back. This is beer. And I'll go ahead and post that. Again, I should get a little pop-up that says it's posting. The REST service will take advantage of the fact that it will post to both of the sites, so you'll only see one process run, but the REST service on the backside will post to one or more or all of the sites, depending upon how you select it and how you've set it up to function off of your interface. So that's enough with IPV. Really, it was just a means to show you the front end. Additionally, if you had a more complicated workflow where you wanted to have, say, marketing approve the social material, or even management to approve it before it goes out, or even for them to set up the text that you want to go with it, you could extend the workflow to include those types of steps. So I'm going to close down IPV real quick here. I'm going to pop over to my Twitter site, and you'll see I have one new tweet. That happens to be the video, so the still material is not up there yet. Let's go over and look at the video. And as I explained in the original demonstration, my Twitter account is tied to my YouTube channel, so I get the actual post from YouTube, get a cross post. Now, The reason why you see two tweets is because I have more than one Twitter account connected. I have not only do I have my account, but I'm posting to my friend's account who gave me his credentials as well. So that's another advantage of the application. If you have brands, multiple brands, and you have a Twitter account tied to each brand, you can cross-post to all those accounts with one click. If I refresh my Facebook site, I don't have a cross-post to Twitter with my, to YouTube from my Facebook site. So, however, there's the beer. And now if I pop over to YouTube and I go back to my home page, here's the video from IPV that I just posted. And again, if I select it, give it time to render, there we go. If you have any questions about SocialExcel or how SocialExcel can work within your digital asset management environment, feel free to contact sales at StorExcel, and we'll be happy to either talk to you about the application, the technical details, and even provide a demo. Thank you for your time.